Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Before I get started, I want to let you, I hope you're enjoying my video so far. And if you are, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that notification button so you don't miss a video. Today I'm bringing to you from my kitchen curry coconut oxtail with carrots and butter beans. So over here to season my oxtail, I have some white onions chopped, some green onions, bell peppers. I just have green bell peppers because guess what? I did my grocery shopping online and it just got delivered and the damn people, forget my language, did not bring my yellow, red, and other color bell peppers. So I'm only stuck with green ones today. So if you have assorted color bell peppers, I recommend using those. Anyway, I also have one Scotch bonnet pepper, including some seeds, because you know we like our curry a bit on the spicy side. Well, not they. So I'm gonna indulge and make it a little spicy. So I'm adding these to season up my curry. Alright, now for the dry seasonings, I like my Better Pack curry powder. I started emptying it in my mason jar. And I'm gonna say I have about 2.5, 3 pounds of oxtail in there. Alright, so I added my curry powder. I'm going to add a black pepper. Going up my nose, I'm gonna add a small amount of salt, maybe a little bit more. Some seasoning salt. Garlic powder. Really? Thank goodness it fell on there. It fell upside down. Onion powder. And as for the seasoning measurements, I would say everything I added was 2 tablespoons except for the salt. And the seasoning salt was 1. The salt was probably 1 teaspoon. And the curry powder was about 2.5 tablespoons. I'm gonna add dry thyme. And I always like to add turmeric with my curry. That's a little under a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Oh, and I forgot my fresh garlic here. This is my beef bouillon base seasoning. It's less than a teaspoon. That thing is quite strong. A little dry oregano. And a few whole allspice. Right? Now I have my gloves on because you know curry powder stains and I don't like that staining my fingers. So let's get in here and let's get these marinate and rub down really good. Let's rub up the meat really good. Stop smiling at me, okay? talking about the meat. Ooh, I hate when I do that. Now guys, usually I like to season and sit overnight. That did not happen last night. Last night I just wanted the layers around. I usually don't. I make somebody very happy when I do, because they think I don't know how to. So that's what I did. And today, believe it or not, I've been up since 3 a.m. and I found everything else under the sun to do but this. I know I don't even have time to let it sit for a while. So I'm going to rely on good seasoning because I have to cook right away. Because since I've been up since 3 a.m., I want to finish cooking. And then that's when old girl going to take her nap after dinner is done cooking. I don't like to leave things undone before I go relax. So I want to finish the dinner first and then I go take my nap. So guys, there's my seasoned oxtail. I'll be back soon. Alright guys, so here I have a couple tablespoons of oil in the pot here. I'm adding a few minced garlic. To that I will add a little bit more of my turmeric powder and curry powder. Just about 30 seconds. Give that about 30 seconds. Just add our curry seasoned oxtail in here. I'm going to cook this just like so without any liquid for about 30 minutes. I'm going to continuously stirring because the curry will stick to the bottom, burn. You don't want that. So even though I'm not adding any liquid, I'm going to continuously stir. But I'll see you back in 30 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is what we have. Now the point to the 30 minutes without any liquid is, especially since I didn't have time to let this sit in the seasoning for a bit, this is just a good way to let the meat cook in its own juices and all that flavor. It just absorb all that really goodness on its own. You know? Look at that. Like I said, you have to continue. Oh, I think something just spilled. Continue turning it to prevent any burning. You got some sticky at the bottom, but that's fine. Once you add liquid to it, it just becomes part of the gravy and it's even better. So here I have some hot water on the stove. I'm gonna add to the bowl that I seasoned the meat in. That's about 2.5 cups of water. And put this in here. And pour this in here. Give this a good stir. And another thing is, when you're doing that, you want to make sure your burner is not turned up too high, because then you're going to burn that curry and that turmeric, like I said. And you're not going to get the meat to cook in all that lovely juices of its own. So now, I'm going to turn this down even a little bit lower. It was on medium before. I'm putting it on medium low. And I'm going to cook this for 1 hour and 15 minutes. See you back then. Okay guys, so the last time we were here, I told you I put the 2 cups of water in for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Only when I came back the hour and 15 minutes, my oxtails weren't tender enough, so I added another cup of water and gave it another hour slow cooking. So now here we are after that's 2 hours and 15 minutes. We have pork tender oxtail, but we're not quite done. So now I'm going to add my coconut milk. I don't want too much in there. I have some carrots, my can of butter bean, and I don't want my gravy. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I have my water still here from the stove. Now guys, this looks dirty. Please don't think it's dirty. That's because I kept putting the spoon from the pot in there. So I'm adding another cup in there. I'm going to cover this and give this another 30 minutes for the carrots and the butter bean and all that goodness to come together. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes. Okay guys, we are back. And oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just you look at that. Does that not just look divine? Like you just wanna, like my husband would say, he just gonna bathe in that gravy. I'm so tired. I don't think I'm gonna be doing any bathing. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm going to take my nap. I don't even think, you know, some certain Jamaican foods, they're just better the next day. So I will be enjoying mine tomorrow, okay? But guys, I thank you so much for watching. I so hope you try this recipe because I just know it's just absolutely amazing. Thank you so very much for watching. From my kitchen to yours, and from my family to yours as always. Stay safe out there. I want you to not focus on the crazy going on in the world right now. Remember, God is greater than all the crazy that's going on out there. Let's continue to pray and just keep our country, our family, and our friends and our people lifted up in prayer, okay? There is nothing that God can't change, can't fix, can't heal. So we will believe God for better time and better things to come. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Love y'all. But you know what? Before I go, okay. My mother isn't better than that. I don't want y'all to hear me stopping my lips because I really don't do that kind of stuff. But, oh my God. That is so good, y'all. So tender. So scrumptious. So flavorful. So decadent. Delicious. Yummy. Scrumptious. All the good words you can think of to describe some good food. That's what that is right there. That's what that is right there, y'all. So good.